Welcome to Ontario One Call's training video, Creating a Ticket, Part 4, Dig Information. This next step to creating a ticket is to provide us additional details about your dig. The first area you will see is dig size. This information is very helpful, and a majority of it is mandatory for clarity and accuracy. The maximum depth represents the maximum vertical distance you are digging. This can assist members in determining whether your request requires their action with a locate or clearance. Please note that the measurements can be provided in both imperial and metric. The next area below requires that you check the boxes that apply to your job, stating if you are digging on public or private property, whether you have pre-marked the area or not, and whether you are digging with machine tools or otherwise. You need at least one check in each section. Please note, anytime you select the hand dig checkbox, the website will remind you of the definition of hand digging, which you must select I understand to and click OK before proceeding. If you do not agree, please click Cancel. The system will remove the hand dig only selection. You can also indicate that you are using a directional drill or other trenchless methods of excavation in the Optional Information area. Also in the Optional Information area, you can request a mark and fax, or if a site meeting is required. A mark and fax will have some infrastructure owners respond by marking out the area and faxing back your completed locate. Requesting a site meet is typical in situations where access to the location or property is difficult, like digging on a secure site where a locator may be greeted by security guards. By default, you will see the Work to Begin section filled out for you 5 business days from the date you were requesting. If you wish to provide more notice, simply change the date forward. You can submit locates up to 1 year in advance of your intended dig. However, members will only be notified about your dig 10 days prior to your selected Work to Begin date. If you are unable to provide the 5 business days notice in the case of an emergency locate, please call us at 1-800-400-2255 to process your locate request. Next, choose a type of work from the drop-down list provided. This tells us why you are digging. The detailed description of the work is a mandatory field where you must provide additional information that was not included in the fields above. Some examples of the type of information you should include in this field are the distance and direction to your dig location from the provided intersections, site of property you are working on, back, front, side, on-site contact name and number, and if the area is pre-marked, how it is identified, etc. If you run out of space, you may continue your note in the remarks field below. Once you have entered all information, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you are missing any information when you click Save, you will see this error message that will let you know what you have missed and still need to fill out. You'll see a waiver appear concerning maximum depth of excavation. If you need to change your maximum depth of excavation to something deeper, you need to contact Ontario One Call to update your ticket or process a new ticket. If you are not missing any information, you will be taken to the confirmation page screen. You can review, edit, delete, and finish processing your request. If you need to change something on the ticket, click on the Edit button, which will take you back to the previous page to make your edits. If you decide that you do not need to proceed with entering a ticket for a particular job, you can also click Delete on this page to remove it. Click here for a link to the final part of creating a ticket, Finalizing Tickets. For any questions or concerns, please feel free to email solutions@ononecall.com or call 1-800-400-2255. Thank you.